When I first started with NIC Ice, I realised that we needed a better structure and a better guide on the shop floor to help us on day-to-day improvements. With any business, it's evolution and it's understanding risk and risk control. In 2023, we had 31 lost days, a bit of a wake-up call. So for me, overseeing engineering and health and safety, it was straight away, we need to do something about this. We found L2L swipe guide, very willing to understand our journey and how we're going to get from where we are to where we want to be. Part of the freedom with the swipe guide system is we've created a couple of QR codes. The QR codes allow us to do observations or allow us to do a 2-minute risk assessment. That instantly from the operator goes straight up to key management, almost like a real life feed from the factory floor. The impact of getting 0 lost time days has been huge. So this is one of the tools that's aided us to get that buy-in from up and down. It's a continuous improvement, but it's a real positive one.
The introduction on the guide, it's been brilliant. It really has been 100% more helpful because we can quickly check out things when we need to rather than going to the paperwork.
Our biggest complaints challenge was paper, because we have lots and lots of check sheets. It's really good because it provides a factual and photo evidence. When we do something, we have the record, we can't modify it. If we say 9 o'clock, the check should be completed, you have actual evidence 9 o'clock. Each and every step, it talks about step with procedure and the picture. So it's good for when someone sees that, not only me or someone working inside, anyone can understand it. So it is the biggest achievement at the moment we are having.
My daily struggles became a lot easier from using these guides. It cut my time management in half. It's fantastic, it's revolutionised it. So basically the guys can take pictures, they take videos, it goes straight to the engineering team. The engineering team are then en route to the actual problem. But the best one is that it cuts my paperwork in half. The 500 days of injuries free is driven by using the guide with everything on there that they can see visually. They follow that step by step. By following it step by step, it creates a safe environment for all the packers, the operators and any staff within that area. So the guides that we use are paramount in keeping the factory safe. I do sleep better knowing that the safety protocols are in place. I think every supervisor should have one and I think every company should have one. I'd like to see it used a lot more and I think it will be used a lot more.